Good afternoon to all of you. This is Ramjan from Smart Finance Chennai. And in this particular presentation, I am going to release the weekly trend report for Nifty and Bank Nifty for the week starting from 5th to 9th of April 2021. So as you know, past 3 weeks we have been giving, and this week also we'll be giving. So before I go to the report, I'll just explain what are the levels we have given last week and how far it has performed. So we have given the report 29th to 2nd April. However, 29th was a holiday. So 29th of March to that is April. So here it's a very short week, 30th, 31st and 1st was 3 working days. So how far this report has performed, that we will discuss a little. Then I will just take you to the new report. And all these things I am generating through our one standard deviation software. This one standard deviation software can help you for intraday and positional. It has many options. You can trade in weekly options, you can trade in monthly options. It has an option scanner, stock scanner. It too has the intraday top and bottom calculations. Many facilities are there. So if you want for positional for weekly levels, I'm just going for the future. So here I'm going for the index future. Same report we are going to see now. So we'll be just fetching the data and doing the calculations. So this will be the calculations for the coming week. So this will be the calculations for the coming week. However, we have given only 2 days. If I just give for the 7 days, I will get for the weekly levels. Weekly levels. So where we should buy and what will be our stop loss and targets, that we will be discussing. So before going that, let us have a look on the last week's level. So last week, which was 26th March, we have generated this report. So Bank Nifty, we have given these levels. What happened in the Bank Nifty, that is more important. So here, so Bank Nifty, we have given the levels, and here 30th March to 2nd April, if I just simulate the values for the Bank Nifty, that too also, so that too also 29th April, if I just give this data. So these 3 days, what will be the high and low? You can see from this NSE site, I am fetching the data. So 33,266 was the low it has happened, and it has made a high of 34,250, and it has closed at 34,179. So this is the records we have for the 3 trading days what we had. So if I just compare this report, these values with my readings, so what I got it from here and how far my readings was true or not. So you can see it from here. So you can see it from here. I have made a high 34,250 and settled at 34,179. 34,179. So it was just very close to my calculation point here. So I have so here Bank Nifty also has gone to 33,266. So this is the level it has gone. So mostly you can say that it has consolidated in the band of 0.382. So it has not given you that much of opportunity to trade in the last 3 truncated week, or the 3 days week. You have got very less chance to trade with that. So just move to the Nifty. What Nifty has offered us in the last week, that is very important. So here, so if I am just going for the Nifty, so I need to fetch the data for the Nifty and how far it has succeeded last week, that we have to see. So if you have a look into the Nifty data for the truncated week, you have seen that the low for the Nifty has been made 14,687. High for the Nifty for the entire week, it has, you can see that here 14,975 and 14,936 it has closed on the 1st April. Today we are having holiday. It is a truncated week, so need to see the Nifty values. So need to see the Nifty values. if I just compare the values what we have calculated last week and values what we have achieved in the market, then we will get a clear picture of our success or failure. You can see here, so it has gone till 14,975, settled at 936 for the week. So this is also our third target we have calculated here. So if you just look into the low part, 687, it has come 687 low, 14,687 low it has created. It is not falling in any of our downtrend. So you can say that we have not got the chance of downtrend. Rather, there is a uptrend breakout, downtrend breakout would have come 14,549 below, which has not happened. So it has maintained well above that. Uptrend has given the breakout, and we have got the third target in the Nifty. And closing basis, we are just missing by 1 point. So we have calculated 14,935. It has settled at 14,936. So this is the record of our second or last week's performance. Moving to the coming week, which will be from 5th to 9th April. So here we are just calculating, and this particular report also I have many times I have told how to download. So in your video description also we will be giving this report, or else you visit our site smartfinancing.com. So here Nifty trend.pdf, if you just give, then you can also download this report. So this report can be downloaded once you type this value. So now video descriptions also you can find out. So my software also gives you the similar level with the 3 different cycles. However, here only one cycle I have given. So this we are saying that if the Nifty Monday it goes above 15,009, it can move to 15,439 level. If it fall below 14,862, it can create a level of 14,433 also is a possibility. So these are the things we are saying. And how to trade on this? Once it crosses 15,009, one need to buy the future along with 15,000 put option, 15,000 monthly put options buy with a stop loss of 14,817. So here stop loss and entry is having a wide difference. Do not worry about that. For that reason only we are hedging it. Once you hedge it, so this 200 point of stop loss what you are seeing here, even though if it triggers 60% of the 200 point, 130 to 140 points, you can recover from this. So your effective loss will never go beyond 50 or 60 points. However, if the successive targets come, your profits will reduce, but hedging is a good practice. So here I'm telling, if you just buy the Nifty 15,009, keep a stop loss 14,817, must hedge. So always from 2005 to till date, I always advocate that in Smart Finance, we always advise that you must hedge your positions. So once you got the first target 15,128, trail your stop loss. So initial stop loss 14,816. Once you achieve the first target, trail your stop loss to 15,055 level. Once you go for the second target, trail your stop loss to 15,092. Once you get the third target, you trail your stop loss to the second target level 15,180. So this trailing will make your trades easier. With lesser volume, you can achieve a bigger target. So 14,863 below, if Nifty fall below 14,863, then you must sell Nifty along with a 14,850 call option. But hedging is very important. So once you sell with the hedging, so 15,055 you should be your stop loss, and you are hedging here 14,850 call option buy. So along with the future sell, you are buying a put option. Along with the future buy, you are buying a put option. Along with the future sell, you are buying a call option. So this is the process of simplest hedging. You can think of writing some options also, but that requires that you must have the necessary skill to understand the hedging concepts. So same process it maintains here. These levels are being given here. So here too also you can get Bank Nifty above 34,612 can make higher levels. Below 33,748 it can make lower levels. Do remember you have the monthly monetary policy committee review also falling under this time, 5th to 9th April. There is a monetary review by the RBI. So Bank Nifty may become more volatile during this time. So you need to trade carefully along with the proper hedging. So these are the reports you are getting, and the same levels can generate the software. But the new additions what we have made this time, that is intraday top and bottom. So here the method of calculating the intraday top and bottom you can learn from this video. So if you just download, click here and start learning this video, you can learn that intraday top and bottom calculation video. However, what will be the top and bottom we are expecting on Monday? So on Monday, Nifty, we are expecting a first top of 15,155. If it crosses 15,302, if it crosses that, it's 15,404. And bottoms for Monday, we are expecting 14,751. Quite wider, but these are the top and bottoms we are expecting for Nifty for Monday. So have a look on this top and bottom for the Nifty also, and thoroughly you can see that whether this top and bottom are valid or not. So Bank Nifty also I will be going in the same order. So in the software itself, I'll just download. I have just calculated the levels here, and here too also Bank Nifty levels, trading levels we are calculating. 34,562 is our top. Once it crosses 34,860 and so on. Bottom is setting at 33,780. So this top and bottom and trading levels are different. So top and bottom are the extreme price points we can get in a day. So once the one top is getting crossed over successfully and price maintained above that, then the next top will be the termination point for the day. So different cycles it should move. So here top and bottom should not be related to your trading level. However, top and bottom can be taken as a guiding post for your trade. Say you have entered a weekly Bank Nifty trade, buy trade at 34,612, and you have achieved say 35,578. So here if you ask me, though I have entered at 34,612, achieving 35,578, is it wise to book the profit here? So that top and bottom can guide you. So your top and bottom is telling that 34,562 above, you can make 34,860. So once you cross this 578, hurriedly do not book the profit here. You can use this opportunity to hedge it. However, your next stop is finding out at 34,860. So though in the first cycle, last but one target you have achieved, but not wise to book the profit here, because in the second cycle, which is telling this level 35,786 to 981, this level if it comes, then the second top can be formed. So you can trail the stop loss and still keep holding the positions. Once the second top comes, you can think of booking the profit. So your profit will be enhanced if you follow the top and bottom along with the trading levels. So this helps in a great way to the intraday traders as well as you can for weekly traders. So keep following these levels and give your feedback if any in the next week. And this report you can able to download from our site. And if you are interested in this product, this is having lot many features. Options also you can trade. You can trade in the weekly options also. So you have the option scanner along with all its delta, gamma, theta, everything. Weekly options also you can trade. Monthly options also you can trade. So any kind of option, suppose if I want to trade in the Bank Nifty options of 29th April. So just these are the intraday levels it can generate. Suppose I am just 35,000 call option. If I am going to analyze in this, so I can get the levels here along with that. Along with that, if I just calculate the 35,000 call options here, so 35, and I'm just going for a calculate. So here you'll not only get the levels, you'll get all their Greek values. So what is the current Greeks? It is maintaining delta, theta, vega, omega, everything, and theta is the time decay per day. So what is it is maintaining and how it is going to change in the due course. So same way, weekly options also you can trade. Option scanners as there. Also we have added in this option scanners. He will give you that the best call options to buy for the weekly intraday basis, best put options to buy for the weekly or intraday basis. That scanner also you can utilize. So this particular software has lot many features. So in one click itself, you can analyze all strikes, all tradable call and put strikes can be analyzed just with one click. So you have just loaded the data, analyze these things. So once you analyze this, all call options and put options. So everything is analyzed, when to buy, what will be stop loss, what will be targets, everything analyzed. So here, if you go for some filtrations like call options, I want the call option strikes between the buy entry and targets, you can filter it immediately for intraday. So if you want that best weekly options to call options to buy in the uptrend for the weekly calls, so these are the strikes is recommended. Yes, these strikes will have a stable IV, lesser theta decay, and it can give you better profit. So this scanner also is a part of this software. So all together this software costs you only 6,500 rupees including tax. Visit our website, go to the product section, first product you can purchase. If you want this particular product, if any issues you want to understand about the product, give a call here. So here, this also available in the Android edition. Android edition is available, and we have given lot of videos to understand this software. So keep following these weekly levels. I have also demonstrated the software. Have a look on this intraday top and bottom. Keep a note of that. And if you are seeing that, yes, those levels calculated by the software is working perfectly, then procure this software for your trade benefit. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Any query, you can feel free to call in this number.